What are identification and authentication? In this video, we will try to understand that. Let's say a user tries logging into a web application server using his username or email address and a password. Here, the username or the email address claims who the user is. This process is called identification. Here, the username or the email address acts as an identity of the user. A user's password is only known to the user. So, when the user provides his password, the password proves that the user has provided his legitimate identity. This process is called authentication. Please note that identity can be stolen or falsified. So, sometimes we need to verify our identity. For example, let's say a user claims to be John Smith. At this point, if we want to be ensured that the person is who he claims to be, we need to verify the identity of the person. A photo ID card can be used for that purpose. However, identity verification is not the same as authentication. A person's identity can change or be falsified. For example, a woman can change her last name after marriage. A criminal can use a fake photo ID card for fraudulent purposes. So, if we want to establish whether a claim of identity is valid, we need authentication. We often use several pieces of information to prove our identity at the time of authentication. For example, we often provide a password or PIN for authentication. These pieces of information that we provide for authentication are called authentication factors. There are three types of authentication factors: knowledge factor, possession factor, and inherence factor. A knowledge factor refers to a piece of information that only the user knows. For example, a password or PIN is a knowledge factor. A possession factor refers to something we possess. For example, when we use our ATM card to withdraw money, the ATM card acts as a possession factor. And an inherence factor refers to something that is an essential characteristic of the user, as for example fingerprints or IDs. We have already discussed authentication factors in detail in one of our previous videos. The link is provided in the description. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please visit the website of the Security Buddy or refer to the playlist Information Security. The Security Buddy also provides many cybersecurity courses. The relevant links are provided in the description. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.